If you want to delete all posts on Facebook, this video will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old posts, starting fresh, or just want to remove a bunch of content from your profile, this guide will help you do it quickly and safely. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Facebook and go to your profile page. This is where all of your personal posts are stored, and it's the main place you'll need to work from. Once you're on your profile, look for the section labeled Posts. Click Posts so you can see your activity organized in one place. This makes it much easier to manage everything instead of scrolling through your timeline one post at a time. Now, depending on your account and the device you're using, Facebook may show you options to select multiple posts at once. If you see checkboxes or selection controls, start choosing the posts you want to remove. You can select as many as the interface allows, which is what makes this process so useful when you want to clear out a lot of content quickly. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting only the posts you actually want to delete, because once they're gone, they're much harder to recover. After selecting the posts, click Next. This usually takes you to the next step in the deletion process, where Facebook prepares the actions you're about to take. It's a good chance to double check your selections before continuing. If you notice a post you want to keep, go back and deselect it before moving forward. Once everything looks correct, click Delete. Facebook will then remove the selected post from your profile. Depending on how many posts you chose, this may take a few moments. If you selected a large batch, just let the process finish and don't refresh the page while it's working. If you have even more posts to clean up, you can repeat the same process again. Go back to your profile, open posts, select another group of posts with the checkboxes, click Next, and then click Delete again. This is the easiest way to gradually clear out a large number of posts without having to delete each one manually from scratch. A quick tip before you go: always review your selections carefully before confirming deletion. If there are memories, photos, or important updates you want to save, make sure to download or archive them first so nothing important is lost. Deleting posts is permanent in many cases, so it's worth taking a moment to be sure. And that's it. You now know how to delete all posts on Facebook by going to your profile page, selecting posts, clicking Next, and then deleting them. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time if you're trying to clean up your profile fast. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.